Hi, have you ever wondered about how you can create a build-up using the vocal? Then this is a video for you. I'm Miche from Soundbridge, a professional DJ and producer, and I'll be showing you this neat trick in less than 2 minutes. Now, before we dive into the tutorial, please hit the like, subscribe and notification buttons so you keep getting content like this that helps you improve your craft as a musician. Transition effects are an unavoidable component of modern electronic music. They are ideal audio material for transitioning from one section of the track to another. It can be created using a variety of audio materials such as noises, synth lines, and so on. But in the following tutorial, I will show you how to create a build-up using a vocal sample. As you can see from the project, I took a vocal phrase and turned it into a build-up. I extended the length towards the drop after copying a small portion of it, and further processed it with gate and reverb effects. Let's hear it solo and then in the context of the full mix. I hope you will find this technique interesting, and for a full blog article, please visit our website at soundbridge.io.